In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your site verified so you can monitor indexing, submit your sitemap, and understand how Google sees your content. First, open Google Search Console in your browser and sign in with your Google account. On the dashboard, choose Add Property. When prompted, select the URL prefix option. This lets you verify a specific URL, which is perfect for Squarespace. Type your site's full address exactly as visitors see it, including HTTPS and whether it uses www. For example, https://www.yourdomain.com. Then continue to the verification setup. Next, Google will ask you to prove you own the site. There are several methods, but the easiest for Squarespace is the HTML tag option. Select HTML tag, and Google will generate a meta tag for you. Copy the entire tag exactly as provided. You won't need to edit it, just copy it to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to your Squarespace dashboard. Navigate to the area where you can add custom code, then open the code injection settings. In the header field, paste the meta tag you copied from Search Console. Save your changes. This places the verification code across your site's header, which is what Google looks for. If you don't see the code injection option, it may mean your site is on a plan that doesn't include it. Business and commerce plans typically have this feature. Also, make sure you paste only the tag, no extra spaces or additional code, so Google can read it cleanly. Head back to Google Search Console and click Verify on the Property Setup page. If the tag is in your site's header and your changes have been saved, Google should confirm ownership. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a minute and try again, or refresh the page. Double-check that you used the exact URL you entered earlier and that your site is publicly accessible. Once you see the verified message, you're connected. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now verified in Google Search Console. From here, you'll be able to track how your pages appear in search, troubleshoot indexing issues, and make data-driven improvements. If you ever change your site's domain or redesign your template, revisit this setup to keep your verification in place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the insights you'll start seeing as Google collects data for your site.